Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make healthy laddu in just 2 minutes. When you are in a diet, if you crave something for the sweet, this is one good option. For this, in a mixer jar, first add 2 tablespoons of pistachio, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of almonds, 1 ilachi for flavor. Grind it all together. For this, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Here, jaggery can be adjusted according to your taste. Add half cup of fried grams and grind it well. Once everything is ready, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee can be add more or less. Transfer to a bowl, mix well with the hand and form a laddu. If you are not able to form a laddu, and you can add little bit of ghee and then form a laddu. Now it's ready to serve. When you are cooking with a stove, cook with a love. Every dish can be delicious. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you again. Bye bye.